Amateur video taken aboard the stricken cruise liner. A sense of panic as giant waves in the Mediterranean rocked the boat. Another view from inside a window that didn't shatter, but the waves broke through many others on the forward fifth deck, killing 2 passengers and injuring more than a dozen others. 3 giant waves striking in quick succession, the ship owner said. It happened northeast of Barcelona, 24 miles off the coast of Spain. The ship, the Louis Majesty, returned late at night to Barcelona. By daylight, many of the 1,300 passengers from 27 nations came ashore with chilling stories.
Everybody were really nervous, and we were nervous too because the crew were running.
The ship was headed to Genoa, Italy, to end its week-long Mediterranean voyage. But after the giant waves, the Greek ship's management decided to send everyone home from Barcelona. These Dutch passengers arrived at the airport for a chartered flight, many saying they were too close for comfort to the danger.
We felt it from the wind blowing through the boat, and by the crying, everybody, we didn't exactly know then what happened. And after a few minutes, there was the cry of calling for a doctor. And then we realized it was more serious than we expected it to be.
This Dutch woman was just 1 deck above the worst impact.
With the second wave, all the glass were in water and people took their swimming vest and it was not nice.
The ship will remain in Barcelona for repairs and has canceled its next scheduled cruise, the owners say. Officials of the government of Malta, where the ship is flagged, will conduct the investigation in Barcelona, looking for clues of what went so terribly wrong so quickly on a vacation cruise. Goodman, CNN, Madrid.